Top fashion stocks I'm buying now. I am somebody who loves to watch investing videos and how to make passive income videos, and after all hours that I spent watching videos about stock market on YouTube, I never heard nobody talking about fashion stocks except Nike. I think that after what phone brand we have, second question is what brand is your favorite one? Let's start with Ralph Lauren RL. American fashion company producing products ranging from the mid-range to the luxury segments. Market cap $5.33 billion. Price of the share at the moment of making this video is $65.87. Dividend yield 3.80%. I know you guys are waiting for that. I don't see any struggle for brands strong like that with affordable prices for everyone. Now is perfect chance to buy this stock on discount. They want down 37% in March 2020 because of Rona situation. 2. PVH, clothing company. Never heard about it? Did you heard about Calvin Klein or Tommy Hilfiger? These are some of the brands PVH owns. Market cap of this fashion company is $3.14 billion. Price of this share at the moment of making this video is $41.23, with a dividend yield of 0.34%. Everybody have at least one of these or one of these. This company is so big in fashion that I am just waiting for that dividend yield to go up. Remember that we said that their market cap is $3.14 billion. Well, in 2019, their revenue was $9.66 billion. They are planning to get to $9.91 billion in 2020. PVH Corp., the parent company of Calvin Klein and Tommy Hilfiger, says it may pack and hold some of its spring and summer inventory, so when we are back to normal world of shopping and malls are full again, this stock will skyrocket probably. 3. Tapestry Fashion Company TPR. I want all female investors to smash like button now, because if you ever walk into one of these stores, maybe you couldn't afford this, but you can afford to buy TPR stock right now. This American multinational luxury company is based in New York City and is the parent company of 3 major brands: Coach New York, Kate Spade New York, and Stuart Weitzman. Originally named Coach, the business changed its name to Tapestry on October 31, 2017. Market cap is $4.08 billion. Dividend yield is 9.14%. Let's just say if you or your better half love to shop every weekend, this is probably stock you would believe in long term. 4. Capri Holdings Limited, CPRI. My favorite stock today is CPRI. Ladies, how many of you own Michael Kors products? All of you are part of $2.10 billion market cap, with revenue that is growing year after year. 2019 revenue was $5.24 billion. This company is on discount right now. Price of this share at the moment of making this video is $13.01 during the Rona situation, until stores reopen. In solidarity, the company's top executives will forego their salaries through fiscal 2021, while other salaried employees will take pay cuts of roughly 20%. Responsible management is what I like as an investor, and as true fan of Michael Kors brands, I believe that company have bright future in front of them. Thank you for your time. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe and smash the like button. It would mean the world to me, as I spend 10 hours to make this video. Love you all. See you next week.